Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create an inverted pyramid pattern plot. So firstly, we need to import the required library. So this imports matplotlib.pyplot which allows us to create plots. And now we'll define the number of rows for how many rows we want an inverted pyramid pattern. So here rows is equals to 5. This controls the height of the inverted pyramid. And now we'll create the figure. So this initializes a 6 into 6 inches plot generating the inverted pyramid shape. And now we'll generate the loop pattern to create an inverted pyramid. This loop iterates from rows down to 1. And now and this controls the number of dots per row. The outer loop I runs in reverse from rows down to 1, ensuring that the top row is widest and the bottom row is smallest. The inner loop J determines how many dots are printed per row, and rows minus I ensures proper horizontal spacing, and row plus I minus 1 expands outward as I decreases. And here plt.scatter places red dots at calculated position. S is equals to 800 controls the size of the dots, and negative rows minus I ensures correct vertical placement adjusting the plot appearance, and C is equals to red. This sets the dot colors to red. And now we'll set the axis limit for the plots. This ensures centered horizontal alignment. And this ensures the entire inverted pyramid is visible. Now we'll remove the axis and adjust the aspect ratio. This hides grid lines and axis labels for a clean display. And this maintains equal spacing between the dots. Now we'll add a suitable title to the plot. With font size 14. And at last we'll display the plot. This renders and display the inverted pyramid pattern. So now we can check this. So this prints an inverted pyramid pattern plot in which the dots are given in red color. So thanks for watching this video.